Alright guys, I know a lot hasn't been going on. I know a lot hasn't been going on lately, but we're moving from the closet that I call a shop. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I don't got much room in here. To something about 3 times as big. So we're finally moving on up to the east side. We're gonna get a little bit better of a proper shop. Yeah. As you can see, we still got a bunch of stuff to do. Carburetors are mounted up. We just gotta plumb it all in, get the gas lines working. But before we can get gas going, we have to put the gas cap back on. And unfortunately, when I got it, I got the key to the tank. Well, I mean, the key to the bike, but not this, the key to the tank. So we're gonna do a quick down and dirty gas tank and make it real easy. So I went on the old jungle webs, found the cheapest matching gas cap that I could find, and should mount right up. I have the old gasket, which is now in place. It's not dry rotted, still looks pretty good, drain holes lined up. So with that all being said, let's mount her and screw her in. Alright, so like everything else, nothing's without its problems. Apparently this gas cap that I got is a flush mount gas cap, where this one has raised mounts. So, what it looks like is if I take these two, the whole locking mechanism should pop off, and hopefully I can just get it to go on this one and just swap it over where I have a key. Well, let's find out, right? Alright guys, look at that, bolted up. We got to see if the key works, the plungers go back. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, so today's project is going to be working on the tank a little bit. As you can see, this wasn't working at one point. The locking mechanism got screwed up. I ordered the wrong part. So what I did is retrofitted the old one in there, put a different locking mechanism on it, and now it at least closes. And it's time to do the petcock. Alright, again, I'm having technical difficulties with the petcock, so the camera didn't make that. Hopefully I'll get some still shots of working on it, but seriously, it is 2 screws or 2 hex bolts. Come right out, put the new one in, clean the area where the old one was, and poof. There it is. So what you're going to get is a primary, a reserve, and your vacuum lines. This here is going to be for a tank vent line, and your sending unit is here. Alright guys, so we did it. We filled the tank up, and as you can see on the ground, no leaks so far. Everything's looking good. Hope everybody's liked what they've seen so far. Like and subscribe. The best part's on its way, coming up now. Alright guys, good morning. Today we're going to do chili. Everybody loves chili. And if you don't, well, you're going to learn to love it because it's freaking amazing. To me, the best thing about chili, fresh ingredients. Peppers, onions.
If you're ready and you want it, you can have a bite. The only question needs an answer. Are you hungry now? Getting hungry now. Am I making you hungry? Is this looking nice, yummy? Am I making you hungry? Is this looking nice, yummy? Oh, yeah, yeah, yummy. Are you hungry? Oh, yeah, yeah, yummy. Are you hungry? Oh, yeah, yeah, yummy. Are you hungry? Oh, yeah, yeah, yummy. Are you hungry?
That's what all these beautiful peppers and onions look like. We're going to add them right into the pot. Can't forget about our chili powder, garlic, salt, crushed ground pepper, hot pepper flakes, beautiful spices. Empty cups. Alright. Can I add beans? Pureed tomatoes. Cook it and stir it. Let it simmer for an hour. Sorry guys, didn't want you to sit there and watch it simmer for an hour, but this is what the final product looked like. Added a little bit of jalapeno and some garnish with some cheese. Hope you enjoy it. We got a lot more bike work coming up. Don't forget to tune in to our next episode. See you soon.